our project was displaying a color images on our monitor display through VGA interface through an FPGA. So what we did was we designed a code, an algorithm that was interfacing our VGA display, that was displaying an image from MATLAB. We was turning into intensity values. You see, we were feeding them to the FPGA, which was converting them into an image. Like it was displaying the image here, and what we did was we interfaced it with the FPGA 7-segment display. Like we were displaying two images in successions. So we were changing them with the switches. We implemented the switches. Like it was changing with the switch, the images. You see, like it's changing on the FPGA. This is the second image. Now we change the switch, it comes to the first image. You see, that's how it displays the first image. Now,
our project was this ping pong game or bouncing ball. So we have implemented this using FPGA. Here is our monitor, and you can see the game. The score is displayed on the 7 segment, and if I miss the pad, so score will decremented by to 0, 0. This means that I have lost my chance, and if it hit the pad, score will increment by 1. And also we have a switch through which user can choose if he want to play a speedy game, a difficult one or slow one. So this is difficult one. Now if I put it down, so this is the easy mode.
Basically, this is the watch displayed on the VG as well as 7 segment. We have three features of this, which is the normal. As you can see, this is the normal watch, and the data is displayed on the FPG as well as 7 segment. We can also have the feature of a stopwatch, where it can be paused as well as continued. And then the third feature is the countdown timer. And we have two setting mode as well, in which we can set the hours, minute and second. For example, in the countdown, no, this is where I can set the minutes as well as seconds. For example, I am setting the hours, so this is where I can set the hours. No, I can set according to my time. Similarly, I can set the minutes as well as seconds, and I can also stop, pause the counter and also resume it. And there is 6-digit display on the VGA, and we have made the ROM digits from 0 to 9.
So these 6 digits are hours, minutes and seconds?
And we have made the ROM of digits from 0 to 9, and according to that ROM, VGA is selecting the digit from selecting the data from that particular ROM and then displaying it on the VGA.
So this is our traffic light control project, where we have actually implemented traffic light control for two things, for two roads. One is the highway. This is the highway, and this is the subway. The highway will operate such as this green light will be on for 40 minutes, whereas the turn right signal which just appeared will operate in the last 15 seconds of the green light. In that duration, the subway will remain red. Afterwards, the green light will switch. Both the signals will switch to yellow, where the subway will be asked to get ready, and these will be asked to stop. Furthermore, this will stay on for just 10 seconds. Moreover, the subway will now be green for only 20 seconds, and in the last 15 seconds, similarly, its turn right signal will also be turned on. In that duration, the highway will be red.
So the last color is for turn right?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 modes of our project. Our project implementation is basically a PWM generator, which will operate on 25, 50, 75 and 100 PWM, and it also has 2 functions where an increment of 10 or a decrement of 10% will happen. This is the 25%, and that's the waveform on VGA. This is the 50% waveform that is being displayed on the monitor on VGA. This is the 75%. This is the 100% PWM generated.
Am I seeing 100% on the 7 segment as well? Okay.